What's going on, guys? At Fernandez. The tutorial that you guys are about to see next is bringing you guys a very high, super high. Like when you think it's high, it's actually a little higher, high and tight skin fade. It's actually on an angle you guys will see on the video. Guys, comment if you guys have any questions, anything you guys want to see next. I'm here to help in any way that I could possibly can help you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn that notification to on so you don't miss out on the next video, and if you find the video useful, share it. Hope to see you guys around. Alright, so this is the before cut. As you can see, it's like a full hat, pretty high. I'm going to start coning the hair, and we're going to cut against the grain. We're going to start creating our first guideline with the T outline blade. Now, as you can see, we're not going straight, very symmetrical. We're going to take it higher towards the crown, back of the head. So now we're going to be using the Wall Cordless Senior on the open position, which is a half. And we're going to go about half of the width that we have going here, and we're going to create our second guideline. So now we're going to close the Wall Cordless Senior, which is a 0, and we're going to start erasing, taking away that second guideline. We're going to go about halfway of what we created. So now we're going to close it about halfway, and we're going to keep working our way up, using the corners of the blade as well to achieve a better blend. Now we're going to use the same seniors with the number 1 guard on the close position. Now we're going to use the half guard by wall, and we're going to work what we did with the number 1 close. We're going to open the half guard halfway. Now with the half guard on the close position, we're going to work our way out what we initiated with the number 1. As you can see, I'm going against the grain. Stretching the skin would also help to achieve a better blend in those special areas that are darker. Now with the Andes Profile shaver, we're going to shade the bottom. Now keep in mind where you left off with the Andes T outline. Do not go past that line, because then it's going to be a lot harder to erase. Now after we wet the hair a little, we're going to be using our traveling guide. And we're going to cut right on the middle all the way towards the back. And then we're going to go on the sides with an angle. It's always good to cross check your work by going the other way. Instead of going backwards, we're going sideways. Now after this, we're going to be using the thinning shears right on the area that's shown here. This would achieve a better blend where we start with the number 1 guard. Now with the TR liners, we're going to start creating the edge. Now keep in mind, make sure you keep it as natural as possible. Never push an edge back. Now using the shaving gel of your preference, I'm using the DORCO blade here, the 245 handle razor. And all we're doing is actually cleaning not work of what we created with the TR line. We're not creating a new line with the blade. So that is about it. Now I'm using the Elegance styling gel here. Just apply it to the hairs, comb it, style it as the client desire. Now guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe now. Share the video. Any comments will be welcome. Anything else you guys want to see, let me know and I'll be able to help you guys. You could also follow me on IG at @_B_Fernandez.